For Frozen, we had created these two sisters. I get caught up in them because they feel real to me. They feel like family. That's part of what drives us. For Frozen 2, there's a sense of responsibility and high expectations.
These are some letters that people have written to the studio. My name is Rachel. I'm 15 years old. And Let It Go literally saved my life. To be working on a new movie with these characters that people love, this is a special time.
It's nerve-wracking. I've never animated Elsa before.
The challenge is carrying on what people fell in love with in the first movie.
In animation, you write a script, and then you record it. Ready? And then they go back to the drawing board, and it changes dramatically.
Goodbye.
It's probably the toughest time of production is a year out. It's when all the balls are up in the air and the balls start falling.
Every 3 months, we screen the film. It can be pretty intense, the feedback.
I was confused.
I had to take notes.
We can write a new song.
Maybe we have one song left to write, or maybe we have 5.
I just don't want to let the fans down. Right. We made this movie for them.
All right, ready?
Into the unknown.
You have an audience that loves these characters.
Into the unknown.
I wasn't prepared to cry at this.
Into the unknown.
If you can do better, you have to do it.
I actually animated her based on videotaping myself. Can't believe I just showed that to you guys.
Is that better?
It's an exciting time, but this is it. I guess you could say we're going into the unknown.